Welcome to Uptime.com. In this video, we will go over alert details, the information they provide, as well as the real-time analysis and Traceroute options, which can assist in your team's analysis and troubleshooting. Uptime.com provides and records various details for every alert captured within your account, and different check types may provide additional information. There are a few ways to navigate to your alerts, starting from the side menu bar, where you will find the Alerts option. Another way is from the dashboard, where at the bottom of the dashboard, you may see the Alerts section detailing your most recent alerts, as long as you have this option enabled. If you select the View All option from the dashboard, this will also bring you to the Alerts page. The final way is to view alerts for a specific check. To do this, navigate to the check in question by selecting Monitoring from the sidebar menu and select Alerts from the menu option. This will show all alerts issued for this check. On the Alerts page, you will be able to see the amount of active alerts, resolved alerts, and ignored alerts. Also, you can search for the alert or use the Filters option. There is a date range option to also filter out the alerts, and an option to export the alerts in Excel, CSV, or JSON format. By selecting the menu option, this will provide options to edit check, view alert details, view real-time analysis, ignore alert, and view the alert ID and check ID. If you select the View Alert Details option, this will allow you to dig deeper into the details of the alert. All alert details will contain the IP address of the probe server or servers that encountered errors, as well as the technical details of the failure, including status codes returned, lack of an expected string, and more. The exact information included on an alert will depend on the check type and specific configuration of that check. For example, HTTPS checks will provide error details for each of the probe servers that are experiencing an error. Advanced checks like transaction checks will provide even more data. Transaction check alerts include a root cause analysis with a screenshot of the web page at the time of the error, the results of the failed step itself, and the browser's console log. These additional insights into the state of the web page at the time of the error provide a launching point for any investigation conducted on correcting the error. Additionally, every alert, regardless of check type, will have an option to view the real-time analysis for the check, allowing for on-the-spot status checking for each check in real time, as well as the historical log of previous errors the check recorded. There are two ways to find the real-time analysis. One way is from the Alerts page, where if you also select the menu option, you will then need to select the real-time analysis option. The other way is to navigate to Monitoring, and by selecting the menu option, select the View Real-Time Analysis option. Information offered by real-time analysis includes the probe server locations and addresses, the status for that location, the date of the last alert recorded, the alert details for the last alert recorded, and an option to load the real-time check status. Directly below the Location Status section is a list of all recent alerts separated by location. You also have the option to view the full alert details as well. Finally, real-time analysis also offers the option to run a Traceroute for your check's endpoint from a designated Uptime.com location. Traceroute can be useful when you need to detect connection anomalies or routing problems between Uptime.com probe servers and your service. We recommend running the Traceroute if your check is down by choosing the specific location that is failing. Uptime.com's alerting provides a comprehensive look into any errors that may occur and allows you to quickly identify the nature and severity of the error. Our alert details and analysis help determine the underlying issue, as well as where to look first, both saving time and ensuring customer satisfaction. Have questions? Please contact Uptime.com support at support@uptime.com. Thank you for watching.